People believe that all around the world math is the same. It is taught the exact same way in every school in every country. Although the end result of teaching and doing math is exactly the same everywhere. Small differences in how it's taught shapes who we are and how math affects our lives. Plus, it also affects how we feel about the subject itself. Britain. In recent years, it has come to the attention of the government that 17 million adults, nearly half the working population, have the math skills of a child at a primary school. The reason for this is because in Britain, everyone is a lot more laid back about career choices compared to countries in Eastern civilizations. United States. As the US is such a big place, the way mathematics is taught considerably varies from state to state, and sometimes the way it's taught often varies within states as well. In America, children start school at age 6 and go to kindergarten for 2 years, compared to 1 year in the UK. Maths homework in other countries may consist of math problems that students work through, as opposed to the United States where homework is heavy on reading about math topics in a textbook. South America. The approach in South America, like the US, is very theoretical, and even during the early years. For example, in a 6th grade class in Paraguay, they learn the definition of something, but do not learn the way of solving the problem. The teacher then continues to solve the problem and the student copies down the method. Long story short, teachers rely on the memorization of concepts and procedures. India. In 2009, 5,980 students graduated with a degree in maths in India. That's 0.09% of the population. Last year, 0.05% of the population graduated with degrees in science and maths. So what makes it so enticing? Or are students seriously encouraged to go down that path by peers? Like I mentioned before, India is one of the countries that have homework consisting of math problems. Careers in math in India are well paid. However, for many people, it's not what they want to do. It's what their parents want them to do. China. Chinese education is incredibly strict, and in early years, students are taught with an abacus. They are trained for so long that after a while, they don't even need an abacus. Students use an imaginary abacus that at times is proven to be 3 times quicker than using a calculator. In conclusion, you can see that there is a correlation between people taking careers in maths and them being pushed to do maths rather than making their own choices in life, but still being good at it. And you also have those who enjoy math but don't take a career in it because they don't feel pressure into doing it, but still do well in it.